How to open a real account on Metatrader 5. Now you should be able to do this process if you're going to be using the Metatrader 5 via the application on Google Play Store or iOS, and as well as via their official site. If you're using the application, just simply ensure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. So most of the time, if you open up the application, you will be receiving a demo account. Now just simply hit on register now, provide your first, last, and as well as your email address and your phone number. Now just simply select an MT5 rooker and then register and verify your identity. Create your live MT5 account and then choose account parameters. Set a password and submit, and that's the time that you have to fund your account for it to be officially open. And those are the things that you need to do for you to be able to create or open a real account on MetaTrader 5.